Okay, I'm going to do this problem here. Let's see, I use green. Either way, you can get rid of this one. Either way, let's get rid of that. Substitute that into there. Negative 2g plus 28, same thing, equals 6g minus 4. Add 2g equals to, that's 0 plus 28 is 28, equals to 8g minus 4. Plus 4, you get 32 equals to 8g, divide by 8, you get g is 4. Okay, I'm doing it fast because I'm going to use this one here because there's no negatives to find my h. So h equals to 6g minus 4. H equals 6 times 4 minus 4. 24 minus 4. H is 20. So you order for H, G and H. G comes first, so 4 and 20. Okay, you check that. Okay, so you go H equals to 6g minus 4, and H equals negative 2g minus plus 28. H equals 6, substitute it in. H is 20, so therefore you put 20, substitute it in 20. 6 times 4 minus 4, that's 20, equals to 20, because that's 24 minus 4. H is again 20, equals to negative 2 times 4 plus 28. So 20 equals to negative 8 plus 28 equals to 20, and they're both correct. Next page, you do the exact same thing. Okay, you substitute this into here, so you get 2x plus 3 equals to 0.5x minus 3. Okay, minus 0.5x minus 0.5x. Use a calculator if you don't get 1.5x. Plus 3 equals to 0 minus 3 is a negative 3. You add 3, oh no, you minus 3. What am I thinking? You minus 3 to get 0 here. 0 add 1.5, 1.5x equals to negative 6. 1.5 to both sides, divide by 1.5 to both sides. Use your calculator. Negative 6, where's the negative sign in here? Well, 6 divided by 1.5 equals to 4. So my answer is negative 4. X equals to negative 4. So if x is negative 4, I'm going to use the first one because there's no decimal. Y equals to 2x plus 3. Y equals to 2 times negative 4 plus 3. You get negative 8 plus 3. Y equals to negative 5. You check it. Okay, you got y equals to 2x plus 3, and the other one y equals to 0.5x plus 3 minus 3. Make sure you copy it right. Okay, copy it right. Your ordered pair is negative 4, negative 3, so that's negative 4 equal. Oh, that's negative 3. Y is negative 3 equals to 2 times negative 4 plus 3. Okay, that doesn't look right. I did something wrong. I went too fast. That's negative 5, that's why. Okay, so my mistake was right here. Alright. So this should be negative 5. See how y checking is important? So that should be negative 5. Negative 5 equals to negative 8 plus 3, and that is the same. Negative 8 plus 3 is negative 5. Check the other one. Y is negative 5 equals to 0.5 times 4 minus 3. Negative 5 equals to negative 4. That gives it negative 2 minus 3. That gives negative 5 equals to negative 5. Works, so that's the answer. And this answer is correct. So box your answer as you're doing this. So when I check it on the test, I don't have to look for your answer where the two lines intersect. Okay? Makes life a lot easier. So box your answer. These are your answers. Okay, number 6. You get rid of this here. You're going to put this into there. So you get 2x plus 2 parentheses. You put x minus 2 there, and that is equal to 4. It gives you 2x plus 2x minus 4. You distribute, that's y. It's 4. 4x minus 4 equals to 4. Add 4 to both sides. 4x equals to 8. Divide by 4. X equals to 2. Okay, I'm going to use the first one because it's the easier. This slope-intercept form is always easier than standard form. Y equals to x minus 2. Okay, so we substitute y equals x is 2 minus 2, y equals to 0. So this 2, 0 could be your answer. Let's check it. Okay, you first write the equation y equals to x minus 2, 2x plus 2y equals to 4. I always write it and I double check. My eyes always double check to make sure I copy correctly because I like to copy wrong. Okay, so y is 0 equals to 2 minus 2. Yep, that's 0. 2 times x, which is 2, plus 2 times 0 equals to 4. Yeah, that's 4 plus 0 equals to 4. That's true. Okay, number 7. Okay, you get rid of that. Substitute that into there. So 2x plus 3 times 5x equals to 34. Distribute that. You get 15x. 2x equals to 34. 17x equals to 34. Divide by 17. X equals to 1/2. Okay? With a half, still easier to use the slope-intercept form. Okay, I'm going to use the slope-intercept form of y equals to 5x. Substitute a half into there. 5 times 1/2. Y then is 5 over 2, or 2 and 1/2. What? So my answer is 1/2 and 5 over 2. When you check, it's important to check. There's a reason why I leave this as an improper fraction, because when you check, you get like 2x plus 3y equals to 34. And it's easier to use improper fraction. 2 times 1/2 plus 3 times 5 over 2 equals to 34. That doesn't look right. So my answer, I did something wrong. Because I cross cancel, I get 1. So that's not right. So I did something wrong here. Let me go back. Oh my gosh, I do what you... This is the answer is 2. Oh my goodness. Okay, the answer is 2. Good thing for checking, right? The answer is 2. Oh my gosh, then y is 10. All right. 14 divided by 17 is 2, not half. I reduced it. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe myself. Okay, so your answer is not a half and 3/5. But there's a good lesson on why you leave it improper. Okay? And a good lesson on why checking is important. Alright, so we're going to check, and our answer is 210. So 2 times 2 plus 3 times 10 equals to 34. That's 4 plus 30. Aha, that is 34. And then we do y equals to 5x. Y is 10 equals to 5 times 2. Yep, that is true also. Last question. Suppose you have $28 in the bank. Annotate, you have this much total in the bank. I'll use red. And started saving this much every week. Every is the same thing as each. We use X for weeks. So always define the variable. X for weeks. The number of weeks. Your friend has this much in the bank, and means plus, remember. And withdrew. Now withdrew, instead of plus, you need to change that plus into a minus, because withdrew means to subtract. $15 every week, 15 times X. When will your account be the same? So your first one is 28 plus 18.25 X, and the other one is 161 plus minus 15x. That's equal to y, equal to y. Y then means the total amount in savings. Amount of money is in savings. Okay, we can use substitution. Better than graphing, you guys. When you don't have to graph, you can't always graph because the decimal. See, when we graph, we have to estimate and everything. Math, this way we can be exact. So we're going to substitute that into where this y is. So we get 28 plus 18.25x equals to 161 minus 15x. Okay? Now we would add 15x. Okay, we would get 0.25x, 33. Okay, 28 equals to 0. That is 161 minus 28. Okay, and you would get, just to make sure, 161 minus 28. I can do it there, but 133. I'd probably do faster doing it in my head. Divide by 3.25. Divide by 3.25. Nice thing about calculators is the numbers already there. Divide by 3.25. 4! Oh, I was thinking. I must have worked hard in finding this. Anyways, I did this problem last year. So x is 4. So the number of weeks is 4 weeks. Okay? So what does it mean? 4. 4 is the number of weeks. 4 weeks. The bank account will be the same in 4 weeks. So when will your account balance be the same? Oh, we don't have to find out how much. We can stop here because it asks when will your account balance be the same. It didn't ask us how much. I can stop. Yay! The account balance will be the same in 4 weeks. That answers the question. Hallelujah, I'm done. And it's almost 9. Jeez Louise.